morning. In the last video, we had started the board questions. So to the 2014, we had already discussed. So today in this video, we will take from 2015 and then unit test. So first of all, 2015, first question. Select from the gases ammonia, ethane, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen sulfide, ethyne, the gas which produce dense white fume with ammonia gas. You know that hydrogen chloride. So answer is hydrogen chloride. Second one is identify the acid which on mixing with silver nitrate gives white precipitate soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. So this again answer is HCl, because when HCl reacts with silver nitrate, it forms silver chloride, and silver chloride is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. Now the third question. In the third question, three parts are given. The following questions pertain to the laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Write the equation for its preparation. Mention the condition required. Condition required means you have to mention the temperature. That is the condition. So sodium chloride reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid below 200 degrees Celsius. This will form NaHSO4 and HCl. Then second, this is the condition below 200 degrees Celsius. Name the drying agent used in the above preparation and give the reason for the choice. So concentrate sulfuric acid is used because concentrate H2SO4 does not react with HCl, because concentrate H2SO4 does not react with HCl. And further, if you want, you can write that concentrate sulfuric acid, that is, it has a strong affinity for water, so it can remove water molecule. So that's why it is used as a drying agent. So another also point is there. Concentrate H2SO4 has a strong affinity for water molecule, so it can remove, that much is sufficient. Concentrate H2SO4 is strong affinity for water molecule, so it can absorb moisture. So that's why it is used. This is the main point, that concentrate H2SO4 does not react with hydrochloric acid. Then third point, state a safety precaution taken during the preparation of hydrochloric acid. Here, many students were confused when this question asked, because you see the first two questions, that is related to hydrogen chloride gas, but this one is related to hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid, what is the safety precaution? We use the funnel arrangement. That is the safety precaution here. Special funnel arrangement is used. Because this funnel arrangement is used, you know that directly if you put the derivative in water, then back suction occur. So to avoid the back suction, we use a special arrangement, that funnel arrangement. Now 2015 over. Now 2016. So 2016, first one. Select the correct answer A, B, C, D. The aim of fountain experiment is to prove that the C is the correct one. HCl is highly soluble in water. HCl is highly soluble in water. Then 2016, second one, that fill in the blanks. A white precipitate is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. So this AgCl. AgCl is the white precipitate soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. Then third one, write a balance equation for the action of hydrochloric acid on sodium bicarbonate. So that you have to give the chemical equation, that calcium bicarbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. So this you will get calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. So this 2H2, 2CO. Then fourth, state your observation when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to lead nitrate and the mixture is heated. So you know that when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to lead nitrate, white precipitate of lead chloride is formed. And you have studied that lead chloride is soluble in hot water. So when you heat it, it will be soluble. So what you will write here, that white precipitate is formed, it is soluble on heating. So this question is important. White PPT is formed, it is soluble on heating. No need to mention the salt name. Observation means what you can see by your eyes. Then second, with copper carbonate, when the dilute hydrochloric acid, it is metallic carbonate, it will give carbon dioxide gas. So you have to give the test for carbon dioxide gas. A colorless gas is released which turns lime water milky. So a colorless gas is released, it turns lime water milky. A colorless gas is released, it turns lime water milky. 2016, fourth one. Then third one, sodium thiosulfate, yellow particle dissolved to give the turbidity. This yellow particles, because sulfur is formed by yellow particles, dissolved in solution to give turbidity. Turbidity means little bit dirtiness. So now the fifth one. In the fifth one, two parts are given. Identify the gas evolved and give the chemical test when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium sulfide. Identify the gas evolved and give the chemical test. when dilute hydrochloric acid react with sodium sulfide. So in the sodium sulfide, sulfur dioxide gas is formed, and test for this gas flow that colorless. When it is passed through the acidified chemical, that purple color changes to colorless. So a colorless gas is released when it is passed through acidified KMnO4 solution. Purple color changes to colorless. Purple color changes to colorless. Purple color changes to colorless. And the second point, that iron second sulfide, so H2S gas. And regarding the test for this one, a colorless rotenag smell gas is released. A colorless rotenag smell gas is released. One more test I have told you regarding lead sulfide. If you pass the lead sulfide to the moist lead acetate paper, if you pass the hydrosulfide gas to the moist lead acetate paper, that it turns silvery green. So that is given in the book, that also can be used. But this rotenag smell is very famous. That is also coming in chemical test. So that is sufficient. Now 2016 over. Now we are going to take 2017. So 2017 we are going to take now 2017. You know, practical chemistry, all the tests of the gases are given. Practical study, it will be useful for you because we are asking the questions from that part. So now 2017, that first one, fill in the blanks on the prices given. Sulfide or reacting with hydrochloric acid releases. So sulfur dioxide gas already option is given. Then identify the substance underlying a solid form by the reaction of two gases, one of which is acidic, other one is basic. So HCl is acidic and ammonia is basic. When they react, form ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is the solid compound. So your answer is ammonium chloride. Then third one, state one relevant observation: action of dilute hydrochloric acid on iron second sulfide. So a colorless gas is released. It has the rotenag smell. A colorless gas is released. It has rotenag smell. Otherwise, lead acetate paper you can read. When this gas is passed through the moist lead acetate paper turns silvery black. So that can also be used. So now the fourth one, certain blank spaces are left from the table. A and B, identify each of them. So the lab preparation of HCl gas reactant use NaCl and H2SO4. So the product will be that NaH, SO4 and HCl. displacement of A. Downward there will be under this. Anyone can be. So now 2018. Write a balanced chemical equation. Action of dilute hydrochloric acid on magnesium sulfide. So this MgSO3 reacts with TSCl, form magnesium chloride, water and sulfur dioxide. Then second one, that state one relevant observation, lead nitrate is mixed with dilute hydrochloric acid and heated. So first white precipitate is soluble on heating. So white precipitate is formed, it is soluble on heating. Then third, name the gas that is produced during action of dilute hydrochloric acid on sodium sulfide. So H2S gas. All the metallic sulfide when reacts with acid, they form salt and H2S gas. Fill in the blanks with the correct choices given in bracket. Dry hydrochloric gas can be collected by, you can mark there upward. So this upward displacement of air, it should have been upward displacement of air. Upward is the correct one. Then fifth one, name the acid used for the preparation of hydrochloric gas in laboratory. So concentrate H2SO4 is used. Then it is asked, state why this particular acid is preferred to the other acid. It is non-volatile, and it has high boiling point. That's why it is preferred. 2018, fifth one. Now the sixth one. Write a balanced chemical equation. For the laboratory preparation of hydrochloric gas. This is very common. Many times you have seen that NaCl reacts with H2SO4. Temperature is below 200 degrees Celsius. This will form NaHSO4 plus HCl. Now the seventh one. For the preparation of hydrochloric acid in laboratory, state why the direct absorption of hydrochloric gas in water is not feasible. What is the reason? Because back suction takes place. Back suction takes place. Then it is asked, state what element is used to dissolve. So special funnel arrangement. Special funnel arrangement. This is so 2018 over. Now 2019. So you must have got the idea how the questions are asked from this chapter. So that's why it is necessary to solve the 4 questions and learn the answers. It will be very, very useful for you when you solve the 4 questions. If within 10 years, if any question is repeated, it means it is important for you. So now 2019, first one, what is given? Choose the correct answers from the options A, B, C, D. The drying agent used to dry HCl gas is A. Concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated below 200 degrees Celsius, one of the product form is sodium hydrogen sulfate. That you can mark there, sodium hydrogen sulfate, NaHSO4. Then third one, state one observation for the following. A small piece of zinc is added to dilute hydrochloric acid. A colorless gas is released. It burns with pops. A colorless gas is released. It burns with pops. This you can give. Otherwise, if you go through your book, that is given on the page number 155. When this zinc react with HCl, they have written here effervescence. So you can write there effervescence C. That also it is correct. Either colorless gas is released, it burns with pop sound. This is the test for hydrogen gas. And if you write effervescence C, that is also correct. So now these board questions are over. Now you can take the unit test paper. So unit test also, it is important because questions are given like one word or one sentence, and sometimes they are asking the question from this one. So unit test. So first one, give balance equation. This is the question number 1. Give balance equation for the following converter A, B, C, D, E. Only equation you have to give. So first one is given. That first one, A part, from concentrate HCl to lead chloride you have to get. So you can react with PbO2. So this PbO2 react with concentrated HCl. This will form PgCl2, S2O, and chlorine 2,4. Well, then B, dilute HCl to lead chloride. So react with lead nitrate. So lead nitrate react with dilute HCl. This will form 2HNO3 and lead chloride. Then C, sodium bicarbonate to sodium chloride react with hydrochloric acid. So NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate to sodium chloride react with HCl, form NaCl, S2O, carbon dioxide. Then sodium chloride to sodium hydrogen sulfate. Sodium chloride to sodium hydrogen sulfate. This below 2 degrees Celsius. This will form NaHSO4 plus HCl. Then this is the second. Third, E1, iron to FeCl3. So direct combination 2Fe plus 3Cl2, it gives 2FeCl3. Then iron to FeCl2, that iron react with dilute hydrochloric acid. This will give FeCl2 and hydrogen. So now the question number 2, give regions. Question number 2, give regions. In laboratory preparation of HCl acid from NaCl concentrate H2O4, the residual salt at the temperature above 200 degrees Celsius forms a hard crust and acidic glass due to the formation of sodium sulfate. Due to the formation of sodium sulfate, because we have seen in the reaction when the temperature is above 200 Celsius, then sodium sulfate is formed. So because of this salt, that hard crust will be formed. Then second one, dense white fumes are obtained when a jar of HCl is inverted over a jar of ammonia to the formation of solid ammonium chloride. Due to the formation of solid ammonium chloride. Because of this compound, you are getting the dense white fume. Then third one, in the Fontaine experiment to demonstrate the high solubility of HCl gas in water, dry HCl gas is filled in round bottom flask to create vacuum. If it is moist, vacuum will not be created. To create vacuum. If it is moist, then vacuum will not be done. Then fourth one, iron seeds are cleaned with hydrochloric acid before dipping into the molten zinc for galvanization to remove metallic oxide layer. To remove metallic oxide layer. Because you know that pickling of metals, so before galvanization we are cleaning the surface to remove the metallic oxide layer. Then fifth one is hydrogen peroxide gas fumes in moist air, but hydrogen sulfide does not, because this HCl is highly soluble in water. But this HCl is not that much soluble, so this hydrogen peroxide is highly soluble in water, so dissolve in a moisture form the mist of droplets. That's why you are getting. Then question number 3. So question number 3. Fill-ups are given. So complete the statement given below using the correct words. So just to see, you can mark in your book, a solution of HCl gas is named muriatic acid. Then second one, the salt obtained when rock salt reacts with concentrated H2SO4 at temperature below 200 is acid salt. So you can mark there acid salt. Third one is, in the preparation of HCl acid from HCl gas, funnel arrangements provide more surface area. Mark there more. Then fourth, the ions which impart acidic property to an aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride are hydrogen. Then fifth, the indicator which does not change color on passes of the hydrogen chloride gas is phenolphthalein. Now the fourth one, choose from the letter A, B, C, D to match the descriptions. You also mark there in your book. A solution salt obtained on reaction of metallic chloride with liquor ammonia. A soluble salt obtained on reaction of metallic chloride with liquor ammonia. So E is the correct one, that diamine silver chloride. Then a salt which is insoluble in dilute nitric acid but soluble in ammonium hydroxide, B, AgCl. A salt obtained on reaction of an active metal with hydrogen chloride gas. So this D is the correct one, FeCl2. Then fourth, a salt obtained when a basic gas reacts with hydrogen chloride gas, A, ammonium chloride. A salt soluble in hot water but not in cold, obtained on heating and oxidizing it with concentrated HCl, PbCl2. C is the correct one. Now select the correct word from the formulas. So just you underline in your book. The substance reacted with concentrated HCl and heated to prove that concentrated HCl contains chlorine, PbO2. The metal reacts with dilute HCl to prove that dilute HCl contains hydrogen, iron, because it can displace hydrogen. Third, the gas which is heavier than air and highly soluble in water, HCl. Then the acid which is not an oxidizing agent, concentrate HCl. The acid which is not a monobasic acid, sulfurous. So question number 6, select the correct word from the list given. So in the first one, just you see active metal plus dilute acid form salt and hydrogen. Second one is metallic oxides are hydroxide, react with dilute hydrochloric acid form salt and water. In third one is metallic carbonate or bicarbonate, react with hydrochloric acid to form salt water carbon dioxide. In fourth one is metallic sulfide or bisulfide, react with hydrochloric acid to give salt water and sulfur dioxide. And fifth one is metallic sulfide, react with hydrochloric acid to give salt and hydrogen sulfide gas. So now this chapter is over, 7A, and you can complete this one and learn it. And in the next class, we will take the chapter 7B, that is ammonia.